Hey there, science enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of the tiny, the intricate, and the mysterious. That's right, we're diving into the marvels of microscope technology. Your host, Aj, and I can't wait to show you what's been hiding right our nose. There are different types of microscopes, each designed for specific purposes. Light microscope, this is the most common type of microscope. It uses visible light to illuminate the specimen and magnify it. Light microscopes can provide detailed images of cells, tissues, and other small structures. Compound microscope. This type of light microscope uses multiple lenses to magnify the image. It typically has two sets of lenses: the objective lens near the specimen and the eyepiece lens for the observer. Electron microscope. Electron microscopes use a beam of electrons instead of a visible light to magnify extremely small objects. They offer much higher magnification and resolution compared to light microscopes, allowing scientists to examine fine details of cells, molecules, and even individual atoms. Transmission electron microscope. This type of electron microscope transmits electrons through a thin specimen to create an image. It's used to study the internal structure of cells and objects in very fine detail. Scanning electron microscope. Scanning electron microscope scans the surface of a specimen with a focus beam of electrons to create a thread-like image. It's often used to visualize the surface morphology of objects. Before we dive deeper, let's talk about the star of the show, the microscope. This compact device has revolutionized the way we perceive the world. With its powerful lenses and advanced technology, we're able to magnify objects by hundreds, even thousands of times their size. Inside the microscope, there's a complex arrangement of lenses and lighting systems. These components work in harmony to illuminate and magnify the tiniest details, revealing a world we could never have imagined. But it's not just about magnification. Microscopes come in various types, each tailored to unveil different aspects of the microscopic world. We have optical microscopes, electron microscopes, and even scanning tunneling microscopes, each offering a unique perspective on the unseen. I had the privilege of sitting down with Dr. Emily Parker, a renowned expert in microscopy. She shared some incredible insights into how microscopes have transformed our understanding of biology, materials, and more. Dr. Emily Parker. Microscopes have allowed us to explore the intricate world of living organisms at the cellular level. We've uncovered the secrets of diseases, witnessed the beauty of tiny organisms, and even made breakthroughs in nanotechnology, all thanks to this remarkable invention. And now, get ready to witness the unseen. We're going to take you on a virtual tour through a droplet of water. Yes, you heard that right. A single droplet of water contains an entire ecosystem of microorganisms. Let's dive in. Wow, look at that. Tiny creatures bustling around, each with its unique behavior and role in this miniature world. It's like a hidden city right beneath the surface. As we watch these microorganisms interact, multiply, and go about their lives, we're reminded that there's so much more to our world than meets the eye. The microscope has unveiled mysteries that continue to shape our understanding of life itself. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the microscopic universe. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with fellow science enthusiasts. Until next time, Keep exploring and keep marveling at the wonders that surround us. This is Aj, signing off.